Buongiorno from our home in Sicily. We're going to head to Bronte, Pistachio capital of Italy, and perhaps even of Europe.
They're flat out the best pistachios in the world, in my view, okay? They're superior to the Turks, they're superior to the Californians, and you're going to love them if you ever be able to taste them. They're great.
We're going to take a stroll around town and then eat our way through all the shops. This is what a pistachio tree looks like. Little baby pistachios. So this is what it looks like inside. There's a little flower. Beautiful. So lush, so green. Look at that figura di India. This is the period. And look at the beautiful wildflowers. And more pistachio. So lush. Pistachio, pistachio, pistachio. And it's so cool to see the lava flow came all the way down here. Everywhere you look, even up on top of the hill. This is a great example of terrace farming as well. Look how beautiful Mount Etna is. Wow. Once you pass all the farms, here's the main city of Bronte. It is breathtakingly big, right in the middle of the valley. That is beautiful. Right as you enter the city, you have this beautiful art pieces. There it is, Bronte. Everything about this town is all about pistachios. Benvenuti. Nice and hilly here. Look at these beautiful men just standing around, checking out the situation. Could be. Oh, they're speaking Sicilian. My friend Laura told us to go here. Bar Gangi, specialità al pistacchio. Let's see. Now that's a rich pistacchio buono.
Very good.
E arancini.
Very good.
Pistachio, crunchy pistachio, 7 chocolates al pistachio, pistachio balls, pistachio cream on everything. Holy smokers. Look at that. And that's what the pistachio arancini looks like. Everywhere you go. Pistachio, 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 pistachio. Alessio is... We're just starting the melons and the peaches and plums and cherries. That's spring for you, and loads of strawberries. Wow. Oh, I wonder what this is. Maybe wild asparagus? There's the fava beans, cetrangolo, which is a Sicilian cucumber. And all the local goodies. It is cherry season. Look at these mushrooms. This place is beautiful. And so cute. Buongiorno a voi. That's delicious.
Mi chiamo Hilary. Però
Hillary.
Questi libri, sì, Hilary Ray, nome e cognome particolare. Però la mamma è siciliana e il papà è piemontese.
Ah, ok.
E io faccio i libri con questo nome, questo pen name.
Pen name of Vicky. Apri, vedi. She does all the pictures. Wow.
Polo Nord.
Bellissimo. And this is just over here at Gennario's.
È il mio ristorante.
And that's her restaurant. During the day she has a restaurant, at night she does this. Bellissimo.
Grazie.
This is what the menu has. Horse burger, club sandwich, roast beef burger, Some interesting things. Dry cured ham and buffalo salad. Angus beef got. Wow. Beef tongue carpaccio with orange salad.
White
Almond.
cod caponata.
White cod caponata. That's interesting too. Cod heart.
Mortadella, coppa, formaggio
Locale.
locale, provola fresca,
Provola.
salame dei Nebrodi di Sicilia.
The Brody Mountains.
Poi abbiamo il lardo di pata negra, parmigiano, petto d'anatra.
Anatra is duck. Here we go. Pistachio liquor. Ching ching. Sweet, huh?
No, it's not that sweet.
It's-
Very good. Delicious. It's this and Esther. Definitely that.
Very delicious and chilled.
Look at how beautiful these tables, and on the wall are all these Sicilian sayings. Russo, Russo everywhere. I love this map of Sicily, and it represents all the provinces and what they're special for. There's the Mother Church, Via Matrice Annunziata. How does it feel?
Feels excellent. My grandparents probably came to this church and prayed. Maybe they were married here.
Maybe they were baptized here?
Baptized here. It's excellent.
Annunziato.
Annunziato.
Nunzio.
Nunzio, Nunzia.
Everyone in your
Everybody
family.
in my family has that name.
And the other side is Riesi.
Riesi.
Next trip.
Another time. Yes.
He said there's a university down here. È una città molto antico, vero? Antico, antico. And Rosemary, la famiglia di questa signora, viene da Bronte.
My grandparents.
Nonni. Nonni. What was their name?
Nunzio Catania and Maria Russo.
Maria Russo and Nunzio Catania. And when did they leave? Around 1900s.
Anche russo ce ne sono.
Russo, c'è molto. Many Russos. They could be related to you. Dire ancora? Longhitano. He says there's a lot of Longhitanos in Bronte. How does it feel walking on the streets?
It
Your
feels
grandpa-
wonderful to think that I'm seeing some of the same things that they saw all the time. Probably. I'm very excited.
I always love to come into shops and see what the locals have because, every town has their own specialty. And I wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling. Lovely cheese and meats and all different items. All right, there's a lot of these places to try pistachio, but we just picked this one out of the blue. Buongiorno.
Talk about fortuitous.
Il pistacchio
This is delicious. See, this is the color. Very different than other pistachios.
Il nostro pistacchio è il più piccolo al mondo e molto affusolato, molto lungo.
Okay, so do you see it's really long and it's very small compared to others?
In California molto grande.
Yeah, in California molto grande. Wait, this is only pasta pura, means the only ingredient is 100% pistachio, and this is what it looks like.
Questa qui è per la preparazione dei gelati, cream,
Ah, you can use that.
cheesecake,
You can use it to
tiramisù,
make all types of things like tiramisù.
timballo, tutto quello, liquor, tutto
So this is the
quello
base.
che vuoi fare al pistacchio, questa è la base.
This is the famous crema de pistachio. Here's the pesto pistachio, and that's the pasta pura. So when I used to go through Istanbul, I saw a lot of pistachio products, Turkey, but look at this is his products as well. So that's pasta di mandola, and this is, you know what it is? Croccante. Ooh.
Il croccante. Croccante sweet and salt.
It's sweet and salt?
Sweet and salty.
Ooh.
Questa è una
Let's take one of these.
questa è una mia ricetta.
Ah, it's his recipe. He just said, what did you taste? The sweet and salt?
Sweet and salty.
Oh my gosh. That's the crema de pistachio. So good on ice cream.
Thank you.
Ice cream.
What do you think, Paula? It's.
Very good.
I like that happy face. This is such a cute shop.
Vi dico qualcosa di diverso del pistacchio di Bronte rispetto al mondo.
Okay, so he's going to tell us why the pistachio from Bronte is different from others.
Sono due importanti. Il nostro albero è un albero selvatico.
Okay, the trees are wild. They grow wild.
E due perché cresce su un territorio lavico.
And the second that makes it unique is the lava. It's growing in the territory of lava.
Il pistacchio ha un maschio e una femmina.
Oh, there's a male and female pistachio.
Perché la femmina fa un fiore che dura meno di 24 ore, non è visibile a occhio
The
nudo.
female has a flower that blooms for 24 hours.
E quindi l'impollinazione non può avvenire attraverso gli insetti, ma avviene attraverso il vento. Chi ha portato il pistacchio a Bronte saranno stati o gli arabi oppure i greci o i romani.
If the Greeks or Romans or the Arabs brought, but it's been here for thousands of
Ma
years.
sicuramente gli arabi, perché c'è...
No, he said for sure the Arab, according to
Perché in
him.
arabo il pistacchio si chiama frastuk.
Frastuk is the Arabic name for pistachio.
E nel nostro dialetto di Bronte il pistacchio lo chiamiamo frastuca.
Frastuca is a dialect in Bronte for pistachio.
Quindi sicuramente
So
gli arabi-
probably it's from the Arab.
La avviene nel mese di agosto e settembre in base all'altitudine.
Okay, so they start cultivating
Il ciclo del pistacchio
Agosto or
e settembre.
in September.
Il ciclo green, red, white.
Okay.
White si raccoglie.
Okay, that's the.
Quando è bianco è maturo. Mattina si raccoglie.
In the morning, you pick the white ones,
Entro la sera si smalla e
and then that's at night.
e poi si essicca al sole 3-4 giorni.
3-4 days in the sun.
E dopo si mette sul tavolo e si finisce di pulire.
And then you put on the table and you finish cleaning.
Il pistacchio di Bronte è al naturale, non tostato e non salato.
Yeah, the best one is the natural. Ogni 2 anni?
Per nostra scelta facciamo produrre l'albero ogni 2 anni.
Every 2 years. E questo è un anno?
Quest'anno 25 e si raccoglie.
Oh,
25
now
no.
25. So this year they're going to start picking.
Perché facciamo questo?
Why do we do that?
Perché il nostro albero è un albero selvatico, molto debole, però molto longevo. Dura anche in vita oltre 200 anni.
Wow, some of these can be up to 200 years old.
The trees?
The trees.
E per questo motivo noi facciamo riposare un anno l'albero. Così
So one year they give it a rest. He's even got a little wine displayed here. And look at how cute the cart is. And he's got wines, I'm guessing, from all over. Yep. There's Firiato and there's all the Etna wines. Smells so good in here. Everywhere you go, you find all types of Sicilian pistachio, and also That's peanut butter. I must say that was very interesting learning about pistachio, the production, and why it's only picked twice a year. And let me tell you, some of those pistachio cookies, the croccante that we tasted, the sweet and salty, were magnificent.
You know, it brings me back many years ago when we had the All Things Sicilian stores and online stores, when we entered the pistachio crema, the crema di pistachio from Bronte, thanks to Christine Leone, and we won the gold medal at the New York Fancy Food Show, Esther,
Ching to that.
which is like winning an Oscar, okay? And it put Bronte really on the map as far as the United States business is concerned, because now you could actually buy pistachio from Bronte, and other flavors too now, online.
The
Is that unbelievable?
crema.
The crema
Yeah.
di pistachio, and also the pistachio pesto, which is spectacular too.
That's good on crackers, good to make pasta, but I like to put the crema on some gelato. Anyway, that was very interesting. Let's go back to the town and keep walking around. And this is the school. Pretty impressive. Yep, 1867.
University.
Philip Sottosani raised almost in the center of the town the church dedicated to St. John the Evangelist and to San Rosalie. The whole town is coming out to help us find things. So funny. Maria Santissima di Rosario. This town has got a lot of little skinny streets like this. That's a pretty big town. They have all the street names right here. And we are here. Today happens to be May 23rd, which is the anniversary of the murder of Judges Giovanni Falcone and later his partner and childhood friend Paolo Borsellino. And here are some of the others who were murdered by the mafia, including, you can see the first name up there, Pierzante Mattarella, who is the brother of our president of Italy, Sergio Mattarella. He was the mayor of Palermo and he was murdered. There's Peppino and Pezzata and all these brave heroes who were murdered by the mafia throughout the years. There's surprising number of shops and little knickknacks in this town. And of course plenty of pistachio. Lots of clothes shop. It's raining and it's a little bit, there's some dust or something falling too, so that's why the windows are a little bit dirty. But hopefully you're getting a feel for this cute little town. Sun's trying to bust out. This is part of the castle of Horatio Nelson, the English admiral, and this was gifted to him by Ferdinand II, I believe, in the late 1700s because he helped out the Sicilians during some kind of a battle. But actually, the structure was built in the 12th century, so it's been here. This is huge. Actually, this was a Benedictine monastery.
2 paintbrushes. But they had long holidays. Hard for me to jump that.
We just finished up with a beautiful group of travelers for our May tour of the east coast of Sicily. And as always, we had some ancestral home visits. We went to Castelreale a couple weeks ago. But on one day, we went to Bronte, so you saw Rosemary and Paula. And then we have someone go to Castro Filippo, Renee, and her husband Harry. And what a reunion, a beautiful thing they had with their families that they just met in Castro Filippo and also Nato. There was not a dry eye in that room when the two families, the Sicilians and the Americans, met. And then we had, of course, Nikki to go to this little town in the province of Palermo, so everyone was very happy reconnecting with their roots. It's one of our specialties.
You know, Esther, on all our group trips, which, by the way, I have to spend 1 second and really tip my cap to you. Watch this. Because you did a fabulous job coordinating. I think it was 17 people in total on this group.
Yeah.
Plus the guides, plus the bus, plus the hotels, plus about 20 million things. She was like an octopus for 17 straight days. After getting through 3 previous tours in the month of April while I was in the
Grazie
States.
to you
All right?
for being my
So-
support.
So that's number one. Number two, today I want to give a shout out, if you don't mind, to my pal Mike Watt and Anne-Marie Watt.
Our good pals.
They're celebrating their anniversary today, over 30 years. I think it's
Ching,
something
ching
like
to them.
33 years, some ridiculous amount. I could put all my wives together and they would still beat them. But anyways, Mike, I'm smoking one of these fine Dominican stogies that you brought for me because Mike came up to Massachusetts
Yeah.
when we had our Sicilian Project fundraiser, and we spent 4 fun-filled days eating our way through the East Coast over there of
Awesome.
Massachusetts.
And I
Mike,
had a
love
good-
you guys. Anne-Marie, please come back.
I had a good visit with them in North Carolina. Anyway, they're our dear friends, and I ching to them. And I don't know, do you have anything else to add?
Well, the big thing with Esther is, of course, we have about 2 of them are already up, our May and June, May and June are already up on our website, www.youmeandsicily.com, and within a few weeks, a very few weeks, our September 2026 trip and also our October 2026 trip will also be posted. Now, a word to the wise is sufficient. We're already getting both inquiries and deposits for these trips next year. So my view is, if you want to come to Sicily, and more importantly, if you want to come for a few extra days and take advantage of Esther's talent of these ancestral visits, let her know, as they say in Italian, subito, right away,
Subito.
so we can save you a place. That's what I wanted to say.
All right. By the way, this hat, along with apron and many other products, are in our You, Me, and Sicily store. On that note, ching to you guys. Hope to see you here in Sicily. We're looking forward to our June tour of the West Coast coming up in a couple of weeks.
To all my friends, benediga. Grazie
Ciao.
per tutti.